Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to use the max function and the min function. And also I'm going to be explaining the difference between the two functions. And with that being said, let's begin. Now the max function is a function you use that calculates the highest number out of the selected cells that you choose. And for an example, if I come right here and I hit equal sign on the keyboard and I type the max function, tab to bring it in, and I select all of these, it's going to calculate and return the highest number in all of those selected cells. And what I'm about to do is close this with the parentheses and hit enter. Notice I get $9,500 and $509. And what do you see here as the highest number in the cells? $9,509 in the highest number. I was going to say in total, but in the higher number. And the way for me to show you and to highlight this is to actually color this. Maybe, yeah, use this. Yeah, it's the best color to use. Maybe the light kind of gold. Yeah, this is the light gold right here. So that's it. This is what you do. You select that. I right click mini toolbar and select this. So that's the highest number here. And same thing goes with the February area. I go equal sign on the keyboard, max, tab to bring it in. Then I go select all of these and just hit enter. I don't have to close this with a parentheses. And boom, I get $8,727. And it so happened to be right here. Right click, mini toolbar, yup. And that's it. Select that. It's the highest number that I get in a result. It's the same highest number that I get from these selected cells. And it so happened to be the number that I just read. And now I'm going to come here. I'm going to go right here. Autosum Max. I can select either max or min, but I'm starting with max. And now I'm going to click it. Ah, look at that. It selects the cells for me on the upper hand. And now I can just hit enter. Ah, see that? That's perfect. Now I could come right here, select all of the blank cells underneath all of these numbers, and I could come right here, select max, and boom, this is where I'm at. But there's one thing that I want to show you. I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to go to formulas, and once again, Autosum, sum, average, count numbers, max, and min. But in this case, this is max. I could do the same thing here, hit enter. But now I'm going to delete this and show you something that I showed in the previous video. Insert function button. I can go here and search for a function. Then I can type what function I'm looking for, which is max. Then I go, look at that, and come down here and click OK. And click OK. And just like the other functions, this is the function argument box or dialog box, whatever you want to call it. And where my mouse cursor is, this is what Excel is calculating for me. So this calculates the numbers for me based on the cells that's been selected. And when I go down to formula result, it's basically the same answers except it has a $sign. So that's what it's showing me here. Same answer as the one on top except it's a $sign. And now that that's been read to you, I'm going to click here, OK. Boom, same answer. Now I'm going to switch for the min function, and it's pretty much the same thing, the same outcome. I'm going to type equal sign on the keyboard, min function, tab to bring it in, select everything, close with the parentheses. Look at that. Now min is a function, and I forgot to explain this. Min is actually the function that supposed to calculate the lowest number out of the selected cells that you select. And that's just what I did here. I'm going to delete this, retype. I'm going to hit the equal keyboard button, min, tab to bring it in. And out of all the selected cells that I have here in this range, it's going to calculate the lowest number that's in these cells here. That's highlighted. Now, close parenthesis. Using shift and keyboard. I said shift and the parentheses on the keyboard. And boom. This is what I get here. $208, which is the lowest number out of the selected cells. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Equal keyboard. Tab to bring it in. Select them all. Don't have to close it with the parentheses. Hit enter. $1,448. That's the lowest number. Now I'm going to come here, select, come right here on the top right side of the home tab ribbon, auto sum feature, hit the down arrow, select min, and boom, the lowest numbers from the selected cells. And I didn't even have to select cells, which is what I've been noticing for a while, but I didn't have to select the cells here. Automatically Excel has calculated this for me. Now I'm going to come here, min again, but look, if I do this one by one, it selects the cells for me. Hit enter. $552. Now I'm going to go to the formulas tab, and once again, same thing with the max. I can look and find the min function the same way. Now I'm going to go to the insert function. Click that. I'm looking for min. That's the function I'm looking for now. And I'm going to hit go. I got it where it's highlighted in blue. Now hit OK. And now here we go. The selected cells indicates that Excel has calculated the answer for me. So it did the work for me. Where my mouse cursor is 2220, but my formula result is basically the same, except it's just with dollar signs. $2,220. And with that being said, let's come right here and click OK. And boom, $2,220. Using these basic functions are actually very fun, and it's very useful. It's very useful for statistics, inventory, keeping track on numbers, items, quantities, you name it. Min and max functions are very much good for it. Very much good for it. And pretty much that's all. And one thing I want to say too, I forgot to mention early in the video, which I explained previously, recently used functions, which is min and max and average, along with other functions too, but I'm not going to get into those. But recently Excel will show that. Now click home, and that's it. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning from this video, just the same way I enjoy making the content. Alright? Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. There will be more to come. Peace.